Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use the OBS Studio alt cropping feature to quickly adjust your sources without any hassle. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your OBS app on your computer. Once the application loads and you can see your main workspace, direct your attention to the bottom left corner of the screen where you'll find the Sources panel. This is where all your active sources like video captures, images, or display captures are listed. Click on the source you want to crop from this list to select it. You'll notice it becomes highlighted, indicating it's now active and ready for editing. Now, here's where the quick method comes in, and it's incredibly useful once you get the hang of it. Hold down the Alt key on your keyboard, and while keeping it pressed, you'll be able to directly manipulate the red bounding box that appears around your selected source. This red box has handles on each side and corner. Drag the left, right, top, or bottom edges inward to crop that specific side of your source. The Alt key is what activates this cropping mode, allowing you to trim your source visually in real time. Once you're satisfied with how it looks, simply release the Alt key when finished and your crop will be applied instantly. Alternatively, if you prefer a more precise, number-based approach, there's another method you can use. Navigate back to the Sources panel in the bottom left corner of your screen. Right-click on the source you want to crop, and a context menu will appear with several options. Hover your mouse over the Transform option, and another submenu will expand to the side. From this submenu, click on Edit Transform. This will open a dedicated transform window with several adjustment options. At the bottom of the transform window, navigate to the crop section. Here you'll see 4 separate fields labeled left, right, top, and bottom. Each of these controls how many pixels are cropped from that particular edge of your source. You can adjust these values in 2 ways. First, you can click the small up and down arrows right beside each option to incrementally increase or decrease the crop amount. Or, for more precision, you can manually type the exact number you want. For example, click the text field next to left and type 20, then do the same for right, top, and bottom if you want uniform cropping on all sides. Feel free to explore this by typing the exact numbers you need until your source looks just right. Once you're done adjusting, simply click Close to apply your changes and exit the transform window. And that's it! You've now learned 2 different ways to crop your sources in OBS Studio, giving you full control over how your content appears. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.